linkers. This part was covered already in reading part 2 of the exam, so you can refresh by looking at that video tutorial on what linkers are. An example of how they are used in part 4 of the exam. In the exam, you'll read the sentence and the options as follows. We have sent you a brochure of our products, blank. We have included a price list. You can order these products online, and then number 2, blank, you will be charged delivery costs. If we have a look at the options, so number 1, we have A, furthermore, B, despite, C, however, and D, so. The answer here is furthermore, because when you look at the information after the gap, this is extra information. So the linker has to be a linker that introduces extra information, and that's why we have furthermore. If you look at the linker despite and however, these are to do with contrast, so they don't make sense in this context. That's why they're wrong. And so is to do with cause and effect. And the price list is not an effect of the brochure, so again, this is wrong. Looking at number 2, we have the options A, because, B, however, C, since, and D, although. So here we have the answer B, however, because the sentence before the gap is positive. The sentence after the gap, charge delivery costs, this is negative. So this is in contrast to the sentence before. And that's why we use however. The option A, because, again, is cause and effect, so it doesn't fit here. And since is more of a time linker, so again, it doesn't fit. Although is contrast, but when you look at the rules of how to use although, it doesn't fit grammatically in as an answer here. So as we said, the correct answers are A, furthermore, as the context of the sentence shows us the missing linker is to do with extra information. And number 2, as we said, however, as the context of the sentence shows us the missing linker is in contrast to the sentence before. So just like I did in part 2 reading, at the end of this section, I've got a flashcard list with linkers available as a Word document and as a PDF, and also on Quizlet I'll put some linkers up there for you to learn.